Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the display controls so you can change brightness without the FN key. On Windows, go to Settings Right Arrow Display. On Mac OS, open System Preferences Right Arrow Displays. Once there, locate the brightness slider and any night light or true tone options. These directly alter backlight and color. Make sure power profiles are set to balanced or high performance because some profiles limit auto brightness. This first step exposes the controls you need and explains why on-screen adjustments are preferable when a dedicated key is not available. Next, remap or add software controls to take over brightness duties. Install Auto Hotkey on Windows or Carabiner Elements on Mac OS to bind unused keys or combos to increase/decrease brightness. This gives precise control and repeatable steps. Alternatively, open your graphics control panel, Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA, and use its color/brightness sliders in 0 to 100% increments for consistent results. Create keyboard shortcuts or a tray/menu bar icon to jump by 10% or switch presets. Finally, test the new controls and save a profile for regular use so you don't repeat setup. Make sure on-screen controls actually change luminance. If you use an external monitor, use its OSD buttons or a hardware dial for reliable results. If a software shortcut seems to do nothing, update display drivers and disable adaptive or automatic brightness in settings. This often conflicts with manual control. One key troubleshooting tip. If brightness won't change at all, check the display adapter driver and reboot after reinstalling it to restore control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.